I am here at beautiful Whitney Mesa Nature Preserve in Henderson, just outside of Las Vegas. Beautiful day, kind of sunny. Yeah, it's been a long time since I made video. I'm feeling much better nowadays. Thanks for all the well-wishers. Thank you, Griff Shannon, for your good advice on diet and things to eat. I like this park a lot. It's very picturesque. Gonna go inside the house. Wow. Fire pit. So we're in April right now, and it took me, let's see, I ate ice cream for the first time in 6 months, and I didn't have any pain in my gut. So to me, that's a really good sign. So also, I had a hell of a time with, tortillas. Like when you eat a burrito and it comes with a flour tortilla. Man, I would eat that and I would get pain right away in my abdomen. I'm not getting any more pain, so yeah, man, it's taken 6 months to recover from my diverticulitis, which is just crazy. Man, if you told me it was going to take 6 months to recover, I'd be like, dude, no way. And another bit of good news, I saw my cardiologist, and he told me that my ejection fraction was around 55%. So I think he said 55 to 60. So that's normal. So that's great. My heart's back. Looks like I'm back. So that was a rough year. 360 view of what it looks like. I'm not sure what casino it is back there. I think it's Sunset Station, maybe. Not really sure. Yeah, pretty cool. Okay, I think that's going to do it for me here at Whitney Mesa. See you in the next one.